still powering your oil fields and mines with diesel. High fuel costs. Constant maintenance. Huge emissions. Meet Polinovel Mobile Battery Energy Storage System, engineered for the toughest oil and mining sites. From 100 kWh to 5 MWh, multiple models available. Choose the capacity that fits your operation. No grid. No problem. Deploy in days, move with your crew. Zero emissions, zero noisy. Just clean, reliable power. Powers drilling rigs, electric mining trucks, emergency ventilation, and more. One system, endless uses. Cut fuel costs by up to 50%, reduce carbon emissions by over 60 tons per well every month. Pair with solar or wind for a self-sustaining microgrid. Green power, day and night. Ready to electrify your off-grid operations? Visit our website for a quick quote.